Hi guys, so today I want to talk about having a virtual card with Ecobank mobile without actually going to a physical bank. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app. As you can see here, this is the Ecobank mobile app. You go to your Play Store and then you download the Ecobank mobile app. This is the app here. I've already downloaded it. You can see Ecobank mobile app. So since I've downloaded it, I'm just going to click open. It takes me into the account I've created. I've already created an account for someone. So now I'm just going to take you through to show you how you can create an account for any African country. So I'm just going to create where you have Cameroon, and then I'm just going to add another profile. When you get to this page, you're just going to take, yes, I have a mob. So you're just going to choose the one on the green. Yes, I have an Ecobank account. So you're just going to choose that. And it's going to ask you to choose your country. So these are the countries where Ecobank is working. This app is working in Africa. So if you're any of these countries, you just need to choose it. So I'm just going to choose Cameroon. And it's going to ask me for a mobile number. I'm just going to put in the mobile number. The reason why I'm not going to continue with this is because I do not have like a mobile number since I'm not in Cameroon, and this can only work in Africa. So I'm just telling you the steps you need to take. So you put in your number here, and then you're going to click continue. It's going to send you a code. You activate your account with the code. So you're just going to go through the process. I'm not going to go through all of that because, like I said, I do not have a number to use, but it's very simple. Like I've told you, you can start. So you can see you are going to have an account number, which this one has here, and you will be able through this app to not only buy airtime, pay bills, do other things. But the reason why we are having this account is for cards. So you can see down here you have cards, and you can see virtual cards. So you're going to click on virtual cards, and you can create a virtual card. So you click create a virtual card. So once you click that, it's going to bring you here. You're going to choose your currency. It's in francs, and you're going to choose Visa. You're going to need a Visa card, and you're going to say whether you need a gift card or shopping card. Of course, shopping card. Remember that this card will be used, this virtual card will be used to connect to PayPal. So you're going to click continue, and of course you're supposed to have some money into your account. So because I don't have any money into this account, I cannot continue, but you're supposed to have some money into your account. So you can send money to your account through mobile money. So now on this page is asking you to pay for the card. So you need to, it's not like you're paying for, but you need to have some money into your account. So you just need to enter your email address and the number, and then you click continue. So we are going to go back. In order for us to add some money to our account, we are going to go back to home. So you need to add money to your account. So what you need to do is click transfer, and then you come, do you want to transfer local bank or mobile money? Take mobile money. You choose you say myself, since you're using the phone number that has mobile money, you have to use the phone number that has mobile money. So you take myself, and then you are going to have to put in the amount of money you want to transfer. Once you're done, then you continue. I cannot do that because, like I said, I am not in Cameroon, therefore I cannot access mobile money Cameroon. But if you're in Cameroon, you can access it. If whatever country you are, so long as you have mobile money, you can access it. So you add it, you add the amount, and then transfer money from your mobile money into your Ecobank account. So when you do that, you come back to your cards, and then you choose virtual cards, and then you continue the process. So that's how you can have cards with Ecobank mobile money. So after doing that, you will now use the information on the card to connect to your PayPal account. So you have to go back to your PayPal account. So after you've put in the money, you're going to be given a card. Here will be a virtual card, and then you can use the information on that card to put on your PayPal account. So on your PayPal account, when they say link your card, this virtual card will be the card that you link. Therefore, you can easily transfer any money you make from your PayPal account into your virtual card, and then you can easily just use the money wherever you are, so you're not restricted by PayPal anymore. So this is a great way for those of you living in the restricted countries to have money from PayPal and be paid and be able to use the money and not have any restriction. So this is the app. You just have to do as I've shown you. I didn't complete all of the processes, like I said, because I'm not in Cameroon. It's hard for me to get the messages to authenticate the app. So because you are in that country, you can easily do that. It's a very simple process. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you have a question, put in the comment section, and of course I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, and see you next time when I make another video. Bye bye.